Hey, what's up, gamers? Welcome back to Error Genie. If you're tired of random disconnects during FC25 Co-Op Division Rivals, you're not alone. We know how frustrating it can be, but don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through some easy, effective fixes to keep you playing smoothly from the first minute. Let's jump into it and solve this together. Solution 1. Turn off crossplay. Sometimes crossplay can mess with your connection. Here's how to turn it off. Open FC25 and go to the main settings menu. Scroll to gameplay settings. Find the option for crossplay and toggle it off. Save your changes and then restart the game. This can help stabilize your connection, especially during those intense matches. Solution 2. Update your teams. Outdated team data can sometimes cause issues. Follow these steps to ensure everything's up to date. From the main menu, go to Customize. Select the Edit Team option. Look for the Download Latest Team Updates option and select it. Let the game download and install the updates. Many players have said that after updating, they've had fewer disconnects in Co-op Division Rivals, so give this a shot. Solution 3. Restart after each match. If the disconnects keep happening, try restarting the game after each Rivals match. Once the match ends, head back to the main menu. Close the game completely. On PC, you can right-click it in your library, and on console, just use the home button to quit the app. Restart FC25 and host a new lobby. Invite your friends back in, start the next match, and see if the issue is fixed. Sometimes a fresh restart does the trick. Solution 4. Reach out to EA support. If nothing's working, it might be time to get some help from the pros. Visit the EA support website. Link is in the description below. Select your platform and describe the issue you're facing. Be sure to include details like error messages and how often the disconnects happen. They'll get back to you with further troubleshooting steps. That's it, guys. I hope one of these fixes worked for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want more troubleshooting tips, don't forget to subscribe to Error Genie. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.